welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen. I'm Amalanga Awafani from the 2nd to the 6th of February 2026 on Monday. Sabelo Ntembi at Loggerhead. All thanks to Mangubane. Benson's Forever Yena comes to his aid. The star gets a diagnosis on Tuesday. Tsunami lands the Ease Prize on his head. Star Jacob Sabelo Mangubane and her Dalacia sees or sixth redemption with Sabelo on Wednesday. Ngabi takes Tsunami deal and Sabelo is in danger. Tembi needs help with her business. Ta takes Mangubane's bail into her own hands on Thursday. Gumede reaches out to Tsunami and strike a deadly deal. Tembi is introduced to danger, but she's too naive. Ntombi makes the Valentine ball about her on Friday. Tembi's big night at Vibe turns into a disaster while Sabelo edges closer to a dangerous choice and Sipo. Little lie threaten to spiral into something bigger. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.